Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a multi-snap back on Snapchat. To get a multi-snap back on your Snapchat, first you have to do is go to your home screen and now go to Play Store and in the search bar type Snapchat and now click on Snapchat and here you will see a uninstall button. Click on uninstall and now again click on uninstall and now you will see a install button. Click on install and now your Snapchat app will be reinstalling. After reinstalling the Snapchat app, you will see a open option. Click on open and now hopefully you will get your multi-snap back on your Snapchat. If this method is not working for you, you have to go to your home screen and now click on setting and now go to your app section and now click on manage apps and now click on Snapchat and here you will see a clear data option. Click on clear cache and now click on OK. Now open your Snapchat app again and see if you get that multi-snap back on your Snapchat or not. If not, then go again and now click on manage space and now click on delete. Hopefully this will help you to get your multi-snap back on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching.